Choose the correct answer. If sin 30 equal cosine theta, where theta is acute angle, then measure of theta equals 60 degree, because measure of angle is 30 plus theta equal 90 degree. We called it complementary angle. Then question number 1, sin 30 was equal cosine theta, then 30 plus theta was 90. Theta will be 9 subtracted by 30 equals 60 degree. Question number 2, ABC is triangle where EP power 2 greater than BC power 2 plus EC power 2 is the measure of angle C greater than 90 degree, because it will be obtuse. We have AP power 2 equal EC power 2 plus CP power 2, then this angle will be obtuse. Choose letter B about question number 2. Question number 3, if negative 2 and 5, it's point A and point B, 2 and negative 5, okay, and point C, you want to find the midpoint of AB. Okay, it's very easy to find the midpoint, such that M equal negative 2 plus 2 equals 0 divided by 2 equals 0, and 5 plus negative 5, 0 divided by 2 equals 0. Then choose letter A, original point. Question number 4, if XY straight line hairline symmetry of AP, we have line symmetry of X and Y, then XY straight line XY will be perpendicular to AB. Okay, you want to comparing between XA and XB. XA will be congruent to XB, line segment, congruent line segment, but right here XA and XB only we must write equal to. We have the difference between line segment XA and XA only. XA only is meaning what? The length of line segment XA. Then you must choose equal to. Choose letter C about question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Choose letter C equal to. Next example. Number 5. M1 and M2 are slopes with two perpendicular straight lines in M1. Product by M2, it will be negative 2, negative 1. Okay, choose letter A because they are perpendicular. Question 6. Surface area of rhombus. We have A, B, C, and D. EC perpendicular to PD. Then the area half times base about here base DB with first diagonal multiplication by second diagonal here EC. Okay, DB and EC, choose letter B. It's a very easy rule about rhombus. Next example, number 2. Find the equation of straight line with slope is 2 and intersecting the positive part of y-axis is equal 7. It's a direct example. Y equal mx plus constant, then m here, y equal m here, the slope 2, product by x plus the constant will be 7 because the straight line cut 7 part from y-axis. Then the equation will be y equal to x plus 7. It's a direct example. Okay, question letter B. Find the value of x if for x equal cosine or 2 of 30 multiplication 10 power 2 of 30 times 10 power 2 45. Then we can write for x equal cosine 30. We can write it from right angles triangles 30 and 60. It will be 1 and 2 and root 3. Cosine 30, it will be adjacent over hypotenuse, root 3 over 2, whole power 2. Project by tan 30, it will be 1 over root 3, opposite over adjacent. Project tan 45, if we have right angle isosceles triangle, it will be 45, and 45, 1 and 1, and root 2. Then tan 45, it will be 1 over 2. Then we can complete 4x equal root 3 power 2, it will be 3, 2 power 2 equal 4, and right here tan 30 power 2 will be 1 over 3. You can cancel 3 by 3, then 4x equal 1 over 4, then the value of x equal 1 over 60. Okay, the value of x about question letter B. Next example, you want to find the coordinate of E and D about this question. Okay, we have A, B, C, D is a parallelogram whose diagonals intersect at point E. Okay, I will draw this example. We have parallelogram. The properties about parallelogram: each opposite sides are equal in length, and two diagonal bisect each other. Okay, he gives us the point E was 4 and 3, and point B 0 and 2, point C -2 and -3, and point D I don't hit. Okay, I want to find the point here E and D. Okay, we have here E. We can find the order of E because E lies in the middle of E and C. You can add -2 plus 4 divided by 2, -2 plus 4, 2 divided by 2, and 3 by -3 divided by 2. Then the order here it will be 1 and 0. Point E, the order of it will be 1 and 0. Then I will put x and y, its order of point D, and beginning by E is lies in the middle of BD because BD is the diagonal, and EC, the BD bisect each other is the point E. Then the order 1 and 0 equal 0 plus x divided by 2, and 2 plus y divided by 2. And then first projection 1 here equal x plus 0 over 2 to be x over 2, and second projection 0 equal 2 plus y over 2, then y here equal -2, and x here equal 2. Okay, then the order of the point D it will be 2 and -2. It's order of the point here. Okay, we have 2 and -2. Understood? Okay, next example. Letter B. Without using calculator, prove that tan 60 power 2 subtract tan 45 power 2, it's left hand side, and right hand side, sin 60 power 2 plus cosine 60 power 2 plus twice sin 30. We can draw first triangle here, right angle triangle, 30, 60, 1 and 2 root 3, and isosceles triangle, 1 and 1 and root 2. Left hand side, tan 60, 60 here, opposite, root 3 over 1, whole power 2. Subtract tan 45, 45 here, opposite over adjacent, 1, power 2, it will be 1. Then the result will be 3 minus 1 equal 2. And sin 60, it will be 2 over, we have root 3, sin 60, we have root 3 here, 60 and 30, 1 and 2 and root 3, sin 60 here, root 3 over 2, whole power 2, and cosine 60, exterior cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. 1 over 2 power 2 times 2 times sine 30, it will be half. 2 times half equal 1. And here fourth, and here 3 over 4. 1 plus fourth plus 3 over 4, result will be equal to, then the left hand side will be equal, right hand side equal to. Question number 4. Prove that the straight line passing through 2.2 and -1. It's first point about the straight line passing through of it, and second point 6 and 3. Straight line passing through 2 points here. You want to prove that the straight line was parallel to another straight line, intersect from x-axis about angle, make angle here 45 degree. First it will be L1 and L2. We can find M1, slope of L1 equal 3 minus 1, it will be 3 plus 1, and 6 minus 2, it will be 3 plus 1, 4. 6 minus 2, 4, 4 divided by 4 equal 1. The slope 2 equal tan theta. Tan 45, it will be 1. Then M1 equal B2, then L1 parallel to L2. Okay. Question letter B. ABC is right angle triangle at B. Okay. If twice AB, he give us this example, twice AB here equal root 3 of AC. You can write the ratio between AB and AC. AB product by 2 and AC product by root 3. Then AB equal root 3 and AC 2. Inside will be 1 and this angle will be 30 and here 60 from theorem about Pythagoras. Then sine C, it will be equal sine 60 root 3 over 2, and we can find tan A tan 30 to 1 over root 3. Next example, question number 5. Letter A. Prove the point A, B, C are the vertices of an isosceles triangle of vertices A. Okay, we want to prove that AB equal AC, then we can find the length of AC. A was -3 and 0, and B was 3 and 4, and C was 1 and -6. We can write the length of AC, -3 minus 1, and 0 minus 6 will be 0 plus 6 will be power 2, and AB equal, you can find the result here, 4 power 2 16 plus 6 power 2 36. The result will be what? We can add them about AC, some of them 16 plus 36, 6 plus 6 12 20 1, 4 plus 1 5, 52. It will be 4 times 13, then you can write 2 root 13. The length of what? Of AC, 2 root 13. And AB, okay, AB we have here square root A and B, -3 minus 3 -6 power 2 36, 0 minus 4 -4 power 2 equals 16. It's exactly this number. Okay, length unit, and here length unit. Then AB will be equal AC, then triangle is isosceles triangle. Okay, next example, find the equation of straight line which passing through the point 3 and 5, and perpendicular to another straight line whose slope will negative half. Its slope about L1. We have L1 and L2, and we can write the equation of L2, y equal m2x plus constant, and they are perpendicular. L1 was perpendicular to L2, then M1 product by M2, it will be negative 1. Then slope of M2, the inverse about negative half, and change the sign, it will be 2. Then you can write the equation of L2 such that y equal 2x plus constant. Okay, this is line passing through the point 3 and 5, such that this point 3 and 5 was falling into a straight line L2, then this point will be satisfies it. Then you can write x equal 2 and x equal 3 and y equal 5. Then 5 equal 2 times 3 equals 6 plus constant. Then the constant will be negative 1. In the equation, y equal 2x minus 1. This is the equation of straight line. Okay, understood?